guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We're here to show you Cartoon Bomb 2. It is a full meter and it is full color. It's pretty dang colorful print. I'm not really sure what the cartoons are there, but looks like maybe a frog. Not really sure. Doesn't really matter, because it doesn't matter if we like it, and most of the time it doesn't really matter if you like it. It's if your customers like it. So let's see how it dips. We're using Hydrographics Activator, 1 minute soak time, dip into a white speed shape in our mini tank. And that is Cartoon Bomb 2. I mean, you don't even have to like the pattern to like that print. That sounds kind of weird, but it's so colorful. It's definitely an eye grabber. Anyway, that will be in the miscellaneous section, and you can find it at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.